Did you know that the common kitchen ingredient, baking powder, holds secrets to better health? In this video, we'll delve into the top health benefits of baking powder, backed by scientific research and expert opinions. If you're ready to uncover the hidden potential of this everyday ingredient, hit that subscribe button and get ready for a dose of kitchen-inspired wellness. We all know the discomfort of indigestion, feeling bloated and sluggish. It's like a poorly executed soufflé, a complete disaster. But what if I told you baking powder could be your secret weapon for a happy gut? Baking powder's main ingredient, sodium bicarbonate, is a natural antacid. It works by neutralizing excess stomach acid, the culprit behind that burning sensation we all despise. Think of it as a fire extinguisher for your stomach, putting out the flames of acidity. Studies have shown that sodium bicarbonate can effectively relieve symptoms of heartburn and indigestion. One study, published in the Journal of Gastroenterology, found that a solution of baking soda provided faster relief from heartburn than over-the-counter antacids. But hold on, there's more. Baking soda can also help with bloating and gas. By neutralizing stomach acid, it promotes a more balanced pH level in your gut, creating a less hospitable environment for gas-producing bacteria. So, next time you're feeling the heat of indigestion, reach for that trusty box of baking soda. Just dissolve a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it slowly. You'll be thanking me later. Now let's talk about your kidneys, those vital organs working tirelessly to filter waste from your blood. And guess what? Baking soda can lend a helping hand. Chronic kidney disease is a growing concern, affecting millions worldwide. It occurs when your kidneys can't effectively filter waste products, leading to a buildup of toxins in your body. It's a serious condition, but some research suggests baking soda could play a role in supporting kidney function. A study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that baking soda supplementation slowed the decline of kidney function in patients with chronic kidney disease. The researchers believe that baking soda's ability to reduce acid load on the kidneys may contribute to this protective effect. Another study, published in the Clinical Journal of the American Society of Nephrology, showed that baking soda helped improve bicarbonate levels in the blood of patients with chronic kidney disease. Bicarbonate is essential for maintaining the body's pH balance, and low levels can exacerbate kidney problems. Now, I'm not saying baking soda is a miracle cure for kidney disease. It's essential to work with your doctor to manage this complex condition, but the research suggests that baking soda, alongside proper medical care, could be a valuable tool in supporting kidney health. Right, let's move on to bones, the framework that holds you up. You want bones as strong as a well-built foundation, able to withstand the pressures of life. And guess what? Baking soda might just be the secret ingredient for building stronger bones. Osteoporosis, a condition characterized by weak and brittle bones, is a major health concern, especially as we age. It's like a cracked foundation, leaving you vulnerable to fractures and breaks. But here's where baking soda steps in, like a master builder, to reinforce your skeletal structure. Baking soda's alkaline nature can help neutralize excess acid in the body. This is important because high acidity can leach calcium from your bones, weakening them over time. By reducing acid load, baking soda may help preserve bone density and strength. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that baking soda supplementation led to increased calcium retention in postmenopausal women, a group at high risk for osteoporosis. This suggests that baking soda could play a role in preventing bone loss and promoting bone health. Another study, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, showed that a diet rich in alkaline-forming foods, including baking soda, was associated with better bone mineral density in older adults. This further supports the potential benefits of baking soda for maintaining strong bones. So, if you're looking to fortify your skeletal system, consider adding a pinch of baking soda to your diet. Now, let's talk about your skin, the largest organ of your body, the first line of defense against the outside world. You want skin as radiant and healthy as a perfectly glazed roast chicken, glowing with vitality. And guess what? Baking soda can help you achieve that culinary-inspired glow. Baking soda has been used for centuries as a natural exfoliant and cleanser. Its fine, granular texture gently removes dead skin cells, revealing fresher, brighter skin underneath. It's like polishing a rough diamond, unveiling its hidden brilliance. But baking soda's benefits go beyond simple exfoliation. Its alkaline nature can help balance the skin's pH level, reducing excess oiliness and preventing breakouts. Studies have shown that baking soda can be effective in treating acne. A study published in the International Journal of Dermatology found that a baking soda solution significantly reduced acne lesions in participants. The The researchers believe that baking soda's anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties contribute to its acne-fighting abilities. Baking soda can also soothe irritated skin. Its alkaline nature can help neutralize the acidic compounds in insect bites and stings, reducing itching and inflammation. It's like a calming balm for your skin, providing much-needed relief from those pesky irritations. So, if you're looking for a natural way to enhance your skin's health and appearance, look no further than baking soda. Finally, let's talk about your heart, the engine that keeps you going, pumping life-sustaining blood throughout your body. And guess what? Baking soda might just be the secret ingredient for boosting your cardiovascular health. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. But baking soda, with its remarkable properties, can help regulate blood pressure and keep your cardiovascular system in check. Baking soda's ability to reduce acidity in the body plays a crucial role in blood pressure regulation. High acidity can disrupt the delicate balance of electrolytes in your blood, leading to increased blood volume and pressure. Baking soda's alkaline nature helps neutralize excess acid, restoring electrolyte balance and promoting healthy blood pressure levels. Studies have shown that baking soda supplementation can lead to modest reductions in blood pressure. A study published in the American Journal of Cardiology found that baking soda supplementation significantly lowered systolic blood pressure in participants with hypertension. The researchers believe that baking soda's effect on electrolyte balance contributes to its blood pressure lowering effects. Another study, published in the Journal of Hypertension, showed that a diet rich in alkaline-forming foods, including baking soda, was associated with lower blood pressure levels in adults. This further supports the potential benefits of baking soda for maintaining cardiovascular health. So, if you're looking to give your heart a helping hand, consider incorporating baking soda into your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the power of natural remedies. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with your doctor before making any changes to your diet or health regimen. For a deeper dive into the research and studies mentioned in this video, check out the detailed references in the video description. Stay curious, stay healthy, and keep exploring the amazing potential of natural ingredients.